Hey guys, Leonard here. Alright, so if you have been following my content for the past few days or even weeks, you should know that I'm building a, a tool called Relationship Ops that revives all contacts from your inbox and turn it into warm opportunities. Right. So this tool actually has like a bunch of code in NAN itself. And then we have this front end form that we were using. We are still using this. We are using for our clients to onboard into this tool, and then from there we direct the entire, like after they sign in with Google, right? Then they just run through the entire workflow, and then it will get stored in our Supabase database. And our front end is actually pretty simple because we intentionally want it to be that simple. um yeah, so we just have a form from NAN, and then the output, so this is the input, and then the output is just a daily digest email that consists of three contacts that we take out from their inbox. And yeah, and there's a few talking points there for them to start the conversation with the lead, right? So I was at the entire process, right? I was wondering what kind of front end um, that we want to build for our clients, so that it's nice, and yeah, it's that customer experience. But for this tool, we wanted to keep it simple first. But along the way, I just found out that about bolt.new from a few friends, and then just explored. And I didn't build the front end for I didn't build the front end form for this because it's way too simple. So I wanted to build something that's useful for the internal team, and it's it's nice lah. Yeah, it is nice so that we can get the data clear, and what are things that we want to have a look without going into, like, what want to search on without going into Supabase database, right? So we created this dashboard for this tool, Relationship Ops, which contains all the leads, all the value add articles, all the client wins, which is all the statistics that we are tracking for our clients, like, yeah, and all the activity log, like whether there's an error or successful, or transaction successful activity. And then there's also a user management to manage all the passwords, all the users, and all these things. So I thought it's pretty cool to like share with you guys this tool that I've just built, because as a marketer, as a salesperson, go to market person, it's quite hard for us to really code and develop front end stuff without hiring a developer in past, right? So I thought with this kind of tools emerging, like Cursor, bolt.new, Lovable, and all the other tools out there, right? It's making coding easier and easier, right? And with, like, by building this, all I have to do is just talking to the prompt, and then they just come up with this signing page and all the entire dashboard in the backend, right? So yeah, it's so easy to really build something without hiring a developer. Yeah. So yeah, so this is what I've learned from a few friends over the past 2 weekends, and I was so glad that they invited me to their class. And yeah, so cool stuff. Yep. So if you have any questions about building front end products for your NAN workflow, because NAN doesn't really support front end stuff, right? It's more like a back end things. Yeah. So if you have any questions about building front end stuff, or making it look nice so that you can deliver to your clients, to your customers, just let me know in comments below, and I'm happy to help. Yeah.